gosh, I am Roman and I am here again today with another exciting video. It's another beer tasting video, so if you're a beer fan, this is the video for you. Let's go. The beer we have today, it's a French beer. It's very, very French. In fact, it has the name of the language that is associated with the region, which is Ch'ti. It's a sort of French patois or French Creole.
Chélie la bouche stylo.
What?
Chélie la bouche stylo.
What the f? As you can see, it's your typical beer. However, the fact that it has a name that's associated with this region, I suppose that it's something that's traditional, I don't know. So the brand, I suppose, is Blonde because it's Ch'ti Blonde, l'original, from 1926. And the percentage of alcohol is 6.8%. I don't know why the beers always want to spill when I try to open them. You see how it's almost trying to flow over? Wow. Okay, let's smell it. It smells very sweet. I still smell that bitter odor associated with beers, but I also smell this sweet scent. Okay. Ah. Oh. Okay, I'm a bit conflicted. There's this strong bitter taste, which is making me avoid really digesting it. But at the same time, when the liquid comes into contact with my mouth, I taste something that reminds me of burnt sugar. So in essence, there's some sweetness to the bitterness. Honestly, it's not a bad beer. It has this unique taste, aftertaste. So I would say it's okay. I don't know how to grade it in terms of saying it's a 5, a 4, a 10. I don't know. But in terms of my personal taste, I would say no. I rather beers that aren't as bitter or that are much lighter, mild on the tongue, the mouth, the palates, etc. So that's it. It's very, very ch'ti, it's very, very français. I don't have much to say. Anyways, I hope you like the video. If you do, let me know in the comments down below, or simply like and share and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.